If you're waiting way too long to get your septic tank pumped, you're basically asking for a major system fail that's going to cost way more cash than it should. So, here's the thing. You want to pump your septic tank every 3 to 5 years, but that depends on how much you're using it. Like, if you've got a big family or lots of guests, you might want to do it closer to every 3 years. If it's just a couple of people, maybe 5 years is cool. Keep an eye on your water use and don't ignore the warning signs like slow drains or weird smells around your yard. Avoid flushing stuff that messes up the system, like grease, wipes, or harsh chemicals. Also, be smart about what you plant near your tank. Tree roots can wreck it. Regular checkups from a pro can catch problems early before they turn into a nightmare. And remember, keeping up with pumping saves you tons in repairs down the line. One of the biggest mistakes folks make with septic tank pumping frequency is waiting way too long between pumpings, which leads to sludge buildup and system backups. Fix that by setting a reminder to pump every 3 to 5 years based on your household size and usage. Another common issue is ignoring warning signs like slow drains or bad smells. Don't brush those off. Call a septic service right away to prevent damage. Lastly, some people flush stuff they should not, like wipes or chemicals that kill helpful bacteria. Keep your system healthy by only flushing toilet paper and human waste. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot to find trusted local contractors who know their stuff about septic systems and home projects. It also helps contractors connect with homeowners looking for reliable help, making the whole process smooth and stress-free.